And I'm Josh.
And we have 5 kids.
And we're still alive to tell about it. We kind of use the analogy of treating your family like you would run a small business. Meetings and managers and team players and roles and celebrations.
Morale.
And goals.
It's important for us to share tips and strategies and stories so other families can go from just surviving to thriving.
In today's society, kids need to learn how to use a computer. Our kids learn math and reading, and they even learn how to code.
And it's pretty cool that they can learn hand-eye coordination, and they also learn that at the touch of a finger, they are connected to a larger global experience, so screen time is not all bad. Here are some great ways you can keep screen time in check in your house. The first rule is the location of your computer. In our house, it's in the middle of the living area. It's a desktop on a small desk, so it can't be easily carried into private spaces. And we keep it in the middle of the living area so everyone can see what you're doing and we can monitor how much time you're on it. Our second rule is to have some requirements that you have to do before getting some screen time. This is going to look different for every family, and for our family, screen time is a privilege that you have to earn. So you have to do some things before you get the screen time.
You earn screen time by cleaning up your room, homework, and reading.
The third rule is to put a checklist on top of the computer so they can see what activities they need to do before they earn screen time.
So they can't just come and say, we forgot what we were supposed to do before screen time.
And rule number 4 is to set time limits on the screen time. One easy way to do this is to use the sand timer so that kids who can't tell time yet can easily tell when their time is up because the sand has run out.
I don't get mad when my time's up because I know the rules.
The general rule for screen time will change for everybody, but in our family, we feel like 30 minutes a day is the appropriate amount of screen time for each kid. Screens are inevitable, but these are some easy tips you can use to make sure that screen time does not become scream time.